this segment, we're going to show you how to do your eyebrows. It is very simple with our Youngevity Brow Kit. So here are the instructions, in case you learn better by reading than by watching videos. Okay, and so in our kit, we have our brush, which is super awesome. You want to always brush your eyebrows, and there's even a comb side if you need to comb. We have the angled brush to help you apply the shadows. We have the shadow also. It also comes with this wonderful vitamin E wax to seal in the color. To determine a great shape for your brow, it's very simple. You could take a pencil and you want the beginning of your brow to begin from the edge of your nose, and then the highest point of your brow, which is your arch, should be lined up directly. If you're looking straight forward, wherever your pupil ends, that's where your pencil should end. And then your brow should end at the tip of your nose, angled up to the edge of your eye.